Hello everyone, happy weekend. Um, Normally in the weekend I will create some relaxing or some fun version of Tableau for you to just for this just for the weekend, relaxing day. This weekend I create the running clock. You can see on my screen, if I click in here, you can see it's actually the clock running 60 times per minute. So we see 1 minute, um, the clock will have will finish one round. Right? So if it continued with that way, of course, you can have the further development in order to have another fund into here as well. But so this is I just created. You know, I spent half of day today to just created this one with a lot of multiple version. But I just said the most simple one for you, right? Okay, so how to do this one? So basically what I do this, so I just create a new visualization just imagine from the beginning. So actually I have the second, which I have the file here, which is Excel file, just the second, and then from 1 to 60, which is 60 seconds, 1 minute, that's it. And then I print that into Tableau, and then it's like this one, and then just very simple like that, right? And then I create something. The first one I create the what I call the angle. Basically, this is just the 2 multiplied with pi divided by 60. Right? This is 60 seconds. Right? So it's been in one round of the clock. You can see this one ticking for 60 times. Right? So in here it's just from my experience. So if you don't put the minus here, the clock will run on the anti-clockwise. So that's why I put the minus here. So the clock will run at the right way we want. We see the clockwise direction, and this function is just print the 12 up to the top. Right? That's it. So the running table, yeah, and then you see the 360 degree divided by 60. And you have the radius, so I just put radius is just 1. And then we have x and y axis, so we see just a very mathematical formula. It radius multiplied with cos of the angle, right? And then y is the same thing. We see radius multiplied with sin of the angle, right? That's it with the form. I will create the clock now. Right? So I print the second in 2, right? And then I print the angle, and then I angle running table. So a running table using the second, right? And then I bring x into the column, y into the row. So use that same this one. Normally it will not have this one because I did the exercise before, so that's why it disappears. So I will remove it, right? So I just remove it. Okay, so this is how it look like, and and then I will whatever the size you want to use here, right? You can use if you use shape, right? Then you go to shape, you change it. I have some diamond picture here, right? You can use it like diamond, much a little bigger, yeah. And in order to have it running, I put the second into here, right? So, and then so you can see it's running now. For the maximum speed, you can see the diamond running, right? Good. Okay, I just stop here, and now I print this background, right, into. So I have download from the Google the picture of the watch. Yep, right. And then let's see if we got a radius E1, so I think this one I want to print a little bit bigger than razor, so I put 1 point. I did that before, so 1.8, maybe 1.2, right? 1.8. This should be, the left side should be negative, and then 1.18, 1.18. You can easily adjust this one, so you can have it here. But because the radio is we remember we have a radius is 1, so this one is 1, so but we can change the axis, right? So when it fits, so we have that the one is 1.2, so this key can be 1.3. Yeah. Similar for this one. You can fix here 1.3, 1.3. The diamond, it looks small, right? So let me just the diamond a little bit bigger. Here we go. Yeah. And then let it run. See? Now you hide it here, and you change here like okay, this funny clock. Yeah, and then you give format here. That way, okay. Color here, and it bold, light. Yes. And now if you make it full screen and you run the clock, so it can run it. But the diamond it's looks small, not very visible. Yeah, so I will prefer to use the cycle. In the cycle here I put in red, and maybe the border is blue. Now we go. Here we go. So now you have ticking, tick, 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 clock. Okay, anti-view, yeah. Okay, bring it up. Yep, tick, 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 tick. So, okay, I hope you find it interesting and useful for you during your data visualizations playing with the data. Enjoy your weekend. Have a good day, everyone. Bye bye.